Hi guys, in today's video, this recipe was shared with us from Navin over at Trini Indian Kitchen. This is the Fijian way of making tomatoes choka. It's raw tomatoes choka. So if you guys would like to see how to make this, stay tuned. So I'm just gonna be doing a small amount of seasoning. So you guys, I'm gonna go in with 2 grains of garlic and using my pestle, we're going to mash that up. So what I want to do now is tear in a few leaves of bandania or cilantro in here, and I'm going to cut up 1 hot pepper in here also. Guys, when you grind seasoning like this, it just tastes so much better. And all we're going to do is go ahead and mash that up. And now you can pound this as fine or as coarse as you would like it, of course. So to make this recipe, I have here some tomatoes, and you want really ripe tomatoes, and you want it to leave the skin on it. You don't need to take the skin off unless you wanted to, which you can blanch it and peel that skin off. But to make this, it's so simple. Chop it up with the skin on. We're going to go in with some salt, and this salt is going to help break down the tomatoes. So you're just gonna give that a mix and allow this to sit for about 10 minutes. Let that salt do its job. Now I'm gonna take my pestle and I'm just going to mash up the tomatoes. You want it to be chunky, so you don't want to process this in your food processor. You can use your hands to help you. So now we're going to add in those seasonings that we used our mortar and pestle to grind, and just mix that in. It smells so good already. This is gonna be like a salsa, a really flavorful salsa. Now I'm going to go in with some raw onions. And you can put as much or as little as you like. In this little pan, I have some oil heating up. We're going to go to chunky that tomatoes, just like when we're making tomatoes choka. So you want it to be at its highest point, screaming or smoking, before you can chunky your choka with it. And now you just want to pour that hot oil over the tomatoes and the onions. Hear that sizzle. That's what you want, and that's what we call chunking. All you have to do is give this a mix, and then this is ready to be served. This goes great with khichdi, with dal and rice, with almost anything vegetarian. You can even have it with chips. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Thank you to Navin, Trini Indian Kitchen, for sharing this raw tomato choka recipe with us. So give this a try, guys, and let us know if you like it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!